And maybe I've been disingenuous here, bro, but you know, I've given you nothing but props for Ethan Nwaneri. I've said Ethan Nwaneri is legit. Max Dowman is legit, no questions asked. Gyokeres, let's give him time. But the problem that I'm having is that Arsenal fans are talking about
Deji, we're not having that. We're not having
that.
You've moved away. No, Deji, we're not having that. You've just moved away a complete 360 from Gyokeres' shit on a Northside show to let's give him time. People, I mean, can we hold Deji Sports accountable for his words?
I don't rate him, but I said give him time, bro. I'm a human being, bro. Give him time.
No. Northside, you are not holding him accountable for his words. I mean, a couple of weeks ago, this brother came down here on your channel and actually said that Solanke is better than Gyokeres. And he's not going to give us anything. He's going to flop in this league. And suddenly he's done a complete and suddenly Deji Sports has completely done a 360.
No, I haven't.
Yeah, like killing me no. And no one is talking about this.
I think
no one is completely talking about this. Deji Sports, let me bust your bubble. Deji Sports, rather than you see Deji Sports, let me get a word out. Yeah, I mean, I stayed mute when you were, spewing this stuff. Yeah, I mean, this is utterly ridiculous, Deji Sports. Mostly this lazy comments you come in with, talking about Newcastle going to finish above us. Deji Sports, are you serious? A Newcastle team? Seriously? Deji Sports, instead of concerning yourself with grown men talk, how about your game against Bayern Munich? How about that? Let's talk about that. 5-0 bashing to Bayern Munich. After that, no, Deji, let me speak. Deji Sports, because no, you're talking in grown men talk. This is Arsenal business. Deji Sports, yeah, I know I haven't won a trophy all these years. I completely get that. That's a given. But Deji Sports, I've come second 3 times in a row. How can you say that now that I've already equipped my team with presumably the most lethal striker in Europe right now? Because if Liverpool fans are talking about Ekitike in high esteem, and Newcastle fans are talking about the genius of Isaac, we have a striker who actually outscored both of them in one season, last season. Deji Sports, I don't need to start doing my stats with you. I mean, I'm crazy with the stats. I have it like a chicken in my head. He actually outscored Ekitike and Isaac last season. So what are you talking about? So this season, I've equipped myself with Victor Gyokeres and I've come second 3 times in a row. Deji Sports, I just added the most lethal striker in Europe. And you're telling me that Newcastle is going to... We've seen Newcastle. Deji Sports, we've seen Newcastle in the Champions League. What happened to them? What happened to them? That squad is going to be stretched. That squad, Deji Sports, that Newcastle squad is going to be stretched. It's going to be stretched to the limit. And do they have what it takes to actually stay in the mix? Deji Sports, we already had the answer with Eddie Howe before when he was in the Champions
League. Can I give you a slight rebuttal, no. Tony? Why does he act like the Wi-Fi is not working? Why does he do that?
let him say something to what you're saying, Tony. Let him say, go on, Deji. Go on.
My quick rebuttal is that if Solanke was playing for Arsenal, he would get similar numbers to what Gyokeres is going to get this season because of the way that you play. So I'm saying that you just needed a target man up top. However, Tony, you were one of the few Arsenal fans that said, why can't you win the league without a 9? When I was telling you can't win the league without a 9. Now I'm telling you that the 9 you brought in isn't all that. When you keep telling me that Gyokeres is the best striker in Europe, that's like telling me that the Wrexham striker is the best striker in England. Like, hold that, bro. You know, Wrexham is still Wrexham, bro. Like, there's levels to this game. However, only time will tell who is right and who is wrong. I hope, like, for me now, with the way that Arsenal fans have bigged up Gyokeres, if you don't win the league, you deserve to be fully cooked, bro. You deserve to be booted off YouTube if Gyokeres doesn't win the league. That's the level of shamelessness that's been coming from the Arsenal camp. Go for it. But the other thing I would say is this. You keep talking about the fact that you finished second 3 seasons in a row. Yes, you brought in the striker. Yes, you brought in Zubimendi. But you are forgetting that everybody else has strengthened. I asked a question, Northside, you didn't answer it either. Do you think this Arsenal team can beat Newcastle with Isak?
Okay, let me answer. This manager has failed at every attempt to beat Newcastle. So no, with this manager, no. Right. I don't think he can. I think Tony, and I'll bring you back into the conversation. Let's allow everybody to have their say in it. You know what I mean? And when we're talking, let's allow everyone, if you've got a rebuttal, let them, join the conversation. But Tony, the reason Deji's got chest, as much as we hate Spurs, and as much as we know that Deji can be a wind-up sometimes, we know that. You know what I'm saying? Definitely. He's got chest, because he's got a trophy to show at the end of the season. A trophy that we don't have. That is why he's got chest. He's a rival and he's got a trophy. Every time we've attempted in the Europa League with this manager, we've been disgraced. His manager that he wanted to get rid of said he wins a trophy at the end in his second season, and he actually delivered. When our manager's being questioned about when are we going to win trophies, he's talking about 3 community shields. There's reason for him to banter us. Let's just keep it honest about it. There is valid reason why Deji is bantering us. Then his manager goes, I'm winning a trophy. Our manager's talking about community shields. Come on. He has got a reason to cook Arsenal. It's not completely all disingenuous. I don't agree with this point in terms of comparing Gyokeres to Solanke. I don't agree with Deji on that. I think he's going too far. I don't personally.
How many goals do you think Solanke gets at Arsenal in the 9?
In the 9?
Yeah, if Solanke was up front for Arsenal, how many goals do you think he could get?
Not as many goals as Gyokeres.
I think Solanke gets 15 Premier League goals as an Arsenal striker.
Nah. I don't think so.
But
it's not that level.
I don't think
it's not that level.
He got 20 goals for Bournemouth.
Yeah, and how many goals did he?
But not in Tottenham, though. But not in Tottenham, though.
I've already told you that.
But not in Tottenham.
What do you mean? No, what do you mean? You're talking like
Tottenham.
He wasn't used as a striker. He was used as a donkey.
Excuses.
He was used as a donkey.
I mean, Deji.
No, but Deji, that's disingenuous, yeah. No, hold on.
He was used as a donkey. That's not disingenuous.
No, Deji, we're not doing that because you're now talking about the system, but we don't play a system that caters to the striker, and yet you're still talking Gyokeres. So
can I just ask you?
No. We're not doing that, Deji. When your system doesn't cater to your striker, you still big him up. When our system doesn't cater to our striker, which we all know, you're still like, but Gyokeres.
Forgive me. How many goals does Solanke get for Arsenal Northside?
Solanke gets about 14 goals. The same as Havertz, the same as Jesus. 14
He gets
goals.
how much?
14 goals.
14, 15 goals, yeah?
Yeah, but what is the expectation of Gyokeres?
All right, don't worry. Tony, how many goals does Solanke get for Arsenal?
I think he does slightly above Havertz's numbers. Let me just say he does like 11 goals. He gets 11 goals in the Prem.
But what is your actual point?
I'm talking of
my point is...
No, but Deji.
No.
You made a defense.
11 up there.
You made it. Nah, Deji, you're being disingenuous. You make a defense for Solanke due to the system. Does Arsenal's system cater to Gyokeres? Yes or no?
No, it doesn't.
Arsenal's
system does not cater to Gyokeres either.
Okay, if your system doesn't cater to your striker, and yet that's why you defend him. To be fair, Tony has a right to say, he's not going to score the amount of goals that you want at Arsenal that you expect because the system ain't catering to him. So it's the same thing, bro.
Yeah, but bro, what I'm trying to say is Arsenal fans have been saying how this guy is going to score all these amount of goals. And I've been saying it and I'll keep saying it. I'm not sure that Gyokeres will score more goals than Havertz. And then when I make that statement, I make it based on the way that Arsenal play. However, if you tweak your game where Gyokeres is the focal point and all you want to do is give him the ball so he can bang it, then yes, by all means.
You never said that though. You never said that though. You never said that though. You called him. No. I can't lie. Here I'm gonna back Tony.
I don't think he's that.
You called him the Swedish Ollie Watkins. That's what you put.
Exactly.
So you were saying that he's not that great.
Goals.
You never said that. Now you're talking about
Deji has never rated
my
Victor
prediction
Gyokeres.
about Gyokeres hasn't changed, bro. I'm not expecting Gyokeres to get more than 50.
Okay, so do you not rate the player? Tony, before I let you go in, I'll let you say your thing. Tony, I'll let you say your thing. I just want to say one thing, yeah. Do you not rate the player or do you not rate the system that he's in? One or the other.
I don't think the system works for him. But also, I don't think he's the gunman that you guys are making out.
So why are you then? This is what I'm saying.
Oh my days, people!
Look at this guy.
Do you see what I'm saying? Okay, good. Deji Sports, yeah. I mean, Deji. I mean, I just joined the family. Deji Sports. I mean, I need to get this thing to you, yeah. I mean, I just joined the family line, yeah, and I mean, we've been friends for a couple of years now. I just joined that family line, and you know. I'm just starting to see the things you've been going through. You know, I've been going through it for a longer period of time. I mean, you don't have time to watch all the whole leagues in the world. I mean, Deji Sports, you're always a busy man. You know, you're a family man, and of course, me too. I'm coming to terms with that. Deji Sports. I'm talking about this. I made that reference, yeah, because I've watched the Portuguese Liga. I've literally seen Victor Gyokeres dog walk and Andre Silva. I've actually seen, I've witnessed a Victor Gyokeres actually pummel, yeah, absolutely pummel a Carreras who now has a one-way ticket straight to Real Madrid. I've literally seen a Victor Gyokeres dog walk and Otamendi. Bro, these people I'm calling are actually defenders that actually do respect. People with harness. People with gladiator stars. That's what I'm talking about. I've seen him actually destroy Pep. Yeah? I've absolutely seen that. I've seen him completely destroy a Pep Guardiola defense in the Champions League of all places. Deji Sports, what are you talking about? I mean, what in God's name are you talking about? Victor Gyokeres is the truth. He is the guy. It's little. Is the max man in the darkness. See, Deji Sports, let me tell you something you don't know, yeah? Don't ever, yeah, call Solanke, even if I do respect the brother. He's doing his thing, yeah? But please, don't ever call Victor Gyokeres and Dominic Solanke in the same breath. The words are tough. Victor Gyokeres is cut from a different club. But you know what, Deji Sports, yeah? You're going to be humbled this season. That's for sure. Now Son is gone. You don't have a leader in that team. I'm actually searching for leaders in your team.